This video will describe how to use the Translate tool in Read and Write for the Mac desktop. The Translate tool is used to translate a single word or multiple words from one language to another. The tool uses web resources, so an internet connection is required. In our first example, we will select a word that we want translated by clicking on the word followed by the Translate button. The Translate user interface will appear, prompting the user to select the language to be translated from and the language to be translated to. Notice that the list of languages is extensive. Click the Translate button after selecting the languages. A web page will open listing possible translations of the word. In the second example, we will select a paragraph to be translated, following the same steps as before. After clicking the Translate button, a web page will open with the translated text. Click the Play button to hear the text read aloud in the foreign language.
Ce guide simple fournira un aperçu de la façon d'utiliser Read and Write pour Mac, une barre d'outils logiciels qui fournit des supports pour la lecture.